guys! Kumusta? It's me, Cindy Demel, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to experience something that I have not experienced yet. We are going to attend an opera event here in Yerevan, Armenia. And I am outside the opera house, which I'm also going to show you what's inside later on. And I am just so excited today. I'm thrilled and I just can't wait to experience this event for tonight. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. This is the inside of the opera house, and that's where you can actually leave your jackets or your coats. So we're gonna get in now. And this is the bathroom of the opera. It's so big. The cubicles are there. This is where you can wash. This area is where you can wash your hands. There. It's big. So that's the door. We're gonna get in. Thank you, love. It's beautiful. So this is the inside of the opera house. That's where the stage is. That's where the band is. And this is what's the inside. The sitting. Oh, it's beautiful. It's gonna start at exactly 7 p.m. It's now 45. So we're kind of early here, while the ticket lady, when we bought the ticket, she advised us to be here 30 minutes before the start of the show because they're going to close the door so that there will be no disturbance. So this is our ticket. Good for 2. That's our seat number there, 30 and 31. We've got the whole production there. It's the cameraman. Probably he's gonna film the entire show, and the band is there. Look at how beautiful the chandeliers are. There, that's the biggest one. Mind the noise because they're still preparing for the show. This is the lobby of the opera house. That's where the food is. Here. There are some drinks and food, but you can't bring them inside. Again, you can only bring water. So let's get back inside the opera, the hall. I am so excited for this. So as what I've mentioned earlier, that's where the band is. There. So they're going to play this today. It's called Tosca. by Puccini. This is a libretto, by the way. What's in it is, I think the whole... Oh, what is this in... Oh, there. It's in English. Very good. Yep. There. So we just finished the first act, and people are just chilling right now. They're relaxing, having some snacks and drinks, waiting for the second act. I was not able to film it. It's because it's not allowed. But I'm going to try the second act, but maybe just like clips. I'm not going to film the full show for the second act because again it's not allowed, but it was really beautiful. It was amazing. So a bunch of people there standing and having some drinks, snacks. So there, and hopefully we're gonna try to get at least some clips, you know, some short clips, short clips. So that was the show. For me, I think it was well done. I think it was beautiful. My partner really liked it too. He got emotional to some scenes of the opera, and we really enjoyed it. And we're planning to actually watch another opera. We don't know when, but hopefully we can. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys also enjoyed the little tour and some clips of the show or the opera that I took. I really appreciate it that you're watching this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're hungry and we're gonna eat here in this restaurant. See you again in my next video. Bye!